another wreck up here. Supposedly a S10 spun out in this curve. We're about to see it. Well, look at damage, we'll find out. Does it run any at all?
Yeah.
All right. I'll just probably load it up right here.
Yeah, it backed up
Busted the
earlier.
radiator, I'd say. Sure, didn't it?
Yeah, it's got the radiator, motors, leaking oil out of the bottom of it.
All right. That's a slick spot there, ain't it?
Yeah.
I've got many out right there. I guess y'all got a ride, or who?
Yeah.
Who is?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, that's my son over there.
All right. Have you got the address of where it's going? Because I got to stop up here at the shop real quick.
Yeah, it's
We'll get loaded up. Yeah, if you can, I'll drop the bed, and if you want, I'll pull it up afterwards. I'm gonna stop him right here. A little more. A little more. That's good. Just put it in park. You mind putting it in neutral for me, and then I'll just go ahead and pull it straight up here. Appreciate that. Yeah, it'll stay. I got it hooked. It can't go backwards. Did you say you had something to go over that window?
Yeah, I've got plastic in the back.
All right, when I get it up there, I'll put it over it. That way no rain gets in it. We're probably gonna get quite a bit.
Yeah.
That's good. You shouldn't have to guide it anywhere past there. Oh. That's good. If that cable's a snap or something, I want the mirror to take you out. Yeah. It's crazy the amount of people, whenever I got to load one, they'll want to stand right behind the vehicle. That's scary. Because it wouldn't take much for a cable to snap or it to kick into neutral or something. Hey man, you need a business card or anything, or?
Have you got one on you?
Yeah, I got. Well, it's in the truck here, but I'll get it.
Yeah, I get it tomorrow.
I know y'all know them up there, but it might help you with the insurance when you call them. But I'm gonna go ahead and get it up there. Y'all have a good night.
All right, you too, man.